Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Info. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to extract audio from a video file using VSDC Video Editor. So let's get started. So before getting started, I just want to show you the video from which we are going to extract audio. So this is the video from which we are going to extract audio. Let's play this video. Okay, so this is the video. Step number 1. Open your VSDC Video Editor and create a new project by clicking on New Project icon on your left. Give any random name to your project and click on Finish. Once your project is created, click on Video icon to select the video. Select the video from its folder and click on Open. OK. Once the video is uploaded on Video Editor, on the top right we have Export Project option. So let's click on Export Project. Once we click on Export Project, it's going to give us a video track and audio track. So to extract audio, let's click on Audio Track. On clicking of Audio Track, it gives us some options like play, pause, stop, set mark, export audio. So click on Export Audio. On clicking of Export Audio, it gives us the audio format like MP3, AAC, yeah, MP4, etc. So select on MP3 and click on Export. Once you click on Export, your audio is exported and you get a message conversion was completed. Now let's go to location and play the audio which you exported. So this is how you export the audio sound.
Please like, share and subscribe.